Hi, and welcome to my video. This is Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you no-fuss espresso creme brulee. Making creme brulee can be a little bit intimidating, but I'm going to show you a version where you don't even have to use your stovetop. I am all about not creating any extra mess for myself, so make sure you start with a large measuring cup and put 2 cups of heavy cream into it. Directly into that, you're going to add about 4 or 5 egg yolks, and then a half cup of granulated sugar. You're also going to be adding some vanilla and a little bit of espresso powder. I put about a teaspoon in. Give it a good mix, really getting that granulated sugar and the egg yolks to whip up together. You don't need to whip it super vigorously, as we just want to combine the ingredients. Surprisingly, without any added heat at this stage, you don't end up with a grainy creme brulee. It comes out super smooth. Grab a large roasting pan, something that has a little bit of a higher lip, and fill it with a bunch of ramekins. Now, I like to portion control my creme brulees, so I'm not eating too much at once. I would say that my creme brulees are only being filled up to about an inch tall. Wipe down any excess drips that don't belong, because you don't want this to burn. This is the most important part to make sure that your eggs are tempering instead of overcooking or becoming scrambled eggs. You need to put them in a nice hot water bath. Careful when distributing the water so that it doesn't splash into your creme brulee. After your creme brulees come out of the oven, everything will still be steaming, so you want to be very careful and make sure that you're well balanced when you're taking them out. Let your creme brulees rest in the water for about 15 minutes before trying to remove them from the pan, as they will be very warm. When they're a little bit cooler to the touch, you can take them out and put them onto a tea towel to absorb some of that water. Your creme brulees are ready to come out of the oven. When they jiggle just like that, cool your ramekins for another 15 minutes on the tea towel and then cover them with plastic wrap. Stick them in the fridge for a few hours until they set up completely. Take about a tablespoon of granulated sugar, or you can take 50% brown sugar and 50% granulated sugar and evenly disperse the sugar all over your creme brulee. You can fire up your creme brulees by putting them back into the oven in a cold water bath and then putting it to broil, but I just find it so much easier doing it with this torch. Make sure to try to brulee as evenly as possible and try not to let it get too dark, or else you get a really burnt taste. After bruleeing, wait about 30 seconds so the sugar hardens up. Then you can go ahead and add any toppings of your choice. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. The coffee flavor actually goes really well with a selection of assorted fresh fruit. But you could always add other toppings like whipped cream or maybe even some chocolate chips if you want to make it super indulgent. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. And now for the moment of truth. Smooth, creamy, and set to perfection in the fridge after just a few hours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to be part of the Sweetie fam. Hit that notification bell so you know as soon as I upload, which right now is happening at 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time daily. Bye!